Hi guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my 60s makeup look. I'm also going to be showing you guys a couple wigs that I did buy on Amazon, and I'll be linking them as well. Most of them are nice. I only got 3, so they're not a lot, but I will be linking them. I think they're great quality for the price that they were. So I used this LA Colors eyeshadow smoky, but I loved it because it has all these blues and I live for that. That is so cute. So I am gonna go in with this darker blue, which they don't have names, but you get the gist. Add some concealer to my eyelids. I do have on yesterday's mascara just because, like, do you guys see how bomb this mascara is? Like, I have a base in my eye. I'm gonna go in with that blue, the dark blue, and just in the crease of my eyes, create a little bit of the pigmentation. Okay, and now with the concealer, just gonna conceal my shit. I'm gonna use a light blue. A foundation. It's an eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow from e.l.f. It has this little thing. So I grabbed a thin brush. This is like for your eyebrows. Just kind of dab a little bit of it on there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my last video I posted. It was the y'all see that? It was the what's in my mouth challenge. I've had a lot of people tell me that it was so funny. And honestly, it was like the funniest thing to film. Like, it was, and I highly recommend people to try it. Like, do it with your family. Like, it's gonna be so much fun to film. Like, let me know if you guys like those kind of games. Like, I had a fun time, and I like watching those kind of videos too, like challenges and stuff like that. That's definitely my thing. Yeah, my chin hurts. Like, it hurts like right here, and I don't have anything there, but I know I'm gonna get a pimple, and it's coming in. I hate her. I don't know who she is, but when I see her, I'm gonna beat her ass. So I heard people are putting their eyelashes underneath, like their eyelashes underneath their real lashes. That sounds so hard. I don't even want to learn. Are you guys digging it? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's everything. Look at these eyebrows. Love it. Just look. It's so cute. Okay, so I hope you guys like this look. It's so dreamy. I'm gonna show you guys how I put on my wigs, and these wigs that I got from Amazon, which I really like. Okay, so first, put the strip, this little wig cap, a little wig cap moment. So I'm just gonna tuck my hair in. Just like that. Like the lunch ladies do. And then pull this back. I hate these hairs. Just like that. And then, so this is my first wig. It's like, I'll put it somewhere. So cute. It's so soft, and it doesn't look as shiny as I thought it would look, you know, like super shiny and fake. So basically, I'm gonna put it forward just like that. Make sure all the bangs are out. And just pull the back. And there you go. She looks so cute. A little Cleopatra moment. It's so cute. I really like this one. It complements faces so well. I really like it. If I didn't have curly hair, my hair would probably be this short, this color. It's so cute. Let me know what you guys think. And it was like, I think it was like $12. It was not expensive at all, and the quality is so amazing. Like, it genuinely looks super cute. So here she is. She is kind of on the thinner side. I'm not a big fan of that because I feel like it's just like not my thing. It makes it look kind of like cheapy. Obviously it's super shiny, it does not look natural, but it's still super cute. Super cute. So let me fix it so that I can throw it on. Oh my god, this will always be hard. Like, it's always gonna be hard. Obviously, I don't think I would wear this out without like a hat on or like a beanie. Like, they really tried with these bangs. I dig it a little bit. It's cute for some like pictures, or you want to be like Jessica Rabbit for Halloween or something. This is super cute. I'll also link this one up. It was also $120, I would say. Don't quote me on that. I don't remember exactly how much, but yeah. So the last wig that I got is actually it's a ponytail clip-on. So, but basically it's this. You tuck this in your ponytail and you wrap it around, and it literally accentuates like how long, like thickness and longness. You guys, those are basically the top things that I got from Amazon, and honestly they were like so cheap, like $7, $10. I'm definitely gonna buy more. I want different styles, you know, and sometimes I get tired of my hair too, you know, like I want to try something new sometimes. I don't want to cut it, I don't want to bleach, I don't want to dye my hair, I don't want to touch it that sort of way. So I think wigs are the way to go, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any videos.